Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rashi's Academy. I'm your favorite teacher Rashi. So in this video we are going to solve question number 12 of NSO 2024 and 25 of class 6. This is a paper which I have, that is a set B. Let's start. Question 12 is the given. Here you can see I zoom that question. The given flow chart represents some observation about the types of forces. So types of forces. So this flow chart is basically a force on the basis of the force topic. So you have to learn about the force. Okay. So till types of forces P2S, that means P, Q, R, S. These four different types of forces are there, and you have to read this flowchart. According to that, you have to find out which is the correct options. On the basis, select the options which correctly identifies them. So let's start. Okay, force, you can see arrow, it says yes. Yes means, that means force is applied here. Is it a contact force? It has two arrows in this. One says yes, another one says no. That means, is it a contact force? Yes. That means this type of force we are talking about is called a contact force. Contact force that acts only when there is a contact between the two objects. Now, does it produce heat? Yes. This arrow shows yes and that arrow shows no. Means P and Q are the contact forces, but P force shows that it produces heat and Q does not produce heat. Now I will give you names of the contact forces. Number 1, surface tension, air resistance, friction force, upthrust force, or which we call it a buoyancy force, drag force, applied force, normal force, muscular force, and elastic force. These are few contact forces. Now, which force produce heat? And that force is known as friction force. Your option P, friction force, will be the correct option. So you can see in option A, frictional force is given, and D, in option D, friction force is given. So in A and D is the only one. From the A and D, it has only one correct option. So we are going to read more and then find out the more forces, and we will get answer. Now, friction force. Friction force is when you rub your hand, it produces heat. When you rub your hand, you can produce heat. You can just try right now as well. Rub your hand. So this is a friction force, example of a friction force. Two objects come in contact and rub it. So force is applying here. So this is an example of the friction force, and it produces heat. You can see. Now the second is, it does not produce heat, that is Q. So Q is which type of force? As I gave you one name, elastic force. So this is elastic spring force, that's the same elastic force it is. In option A and D, Q force, both the forces are same, elastic spring force and elastic spring force. So still here you have a doubt which option is correct. Now let's come to the next part of the flow chart. It says that, does it cause things to have weight? Okay, if yes, so this type of forces are. If no, that is called a S. So does it cause things to have weight? Yes. So non-contact force, these are basically a non-contact force. What are the non-contact force? It's a type of force that acts on the object without any contact with each other. Okay. So I'll give you a name of the non-contact force. Number 1, gravitational force. Number 2, magnetic force. Number 3, electrostatic force. Number 4, nuclear force. In nuclear force there are two types, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. Okay, so now does it cause to have things to have weight? So this, yes, so this type of force is called a gravitational force. So our option R means gravitational force. So in this A option, R is written magnetic force. That is incorrect, which means gravitational force is correct. That option D is correct. So what is the S? Which type of force is S? Does it cause things to have weight? It says no. S is the magnetic force. So our option D is correct option. So in this question, option D is the correct answer. I hope you understand everything. So kids, if you have any doubt or if you want to know more about it, about the forces, please message me. I will definitely try to help you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you and take care.